Hi, I'm Chef Rick Tarantino. You might recognize me from shopping television. I've got a great recipe for you today. It's a basic flour biscuit with butter and garlic, and you're going to see how simple it is and how tasty it can be. We've got some basic ingredients. We've got flour, sugar, baking soda, garlic salt, some butter. I like to use salted, but you can use unsalted, some cheddar cheese, and some milk or half and half, whichever you prefer. A little bit of salt and pepper to season it up. These are great, with some wonderful meals. You can just bake them in advance and just heat them up and put a little butter on them. So I'm going to show you how simple it can be. We're going to start with our flour. We're going to add it right into our bowl. Then our sugar, our salt, baking soda, and then garlic salt. Just a little bit of fresh ground pepper. Now all my dry ingredients, I'm going to mix them together with my fork. You do that first so you get good disbursement. When we're baking, it's always dry ingredients and then wet ingredients. Okay, now this is just going to form a simple dough when it comes together with the butter and the milk. Now we're going to add in our butter and our milk. Then using a fork, we're going to just kind of mix it up and create our dough. It's going to be kind of soft yet crumbly. Just go nice and slow. The dough will start to form. You can see that forming already. And right about this stage, our next step is we'll add in our cheese. I've used yellow cheddar. You can use white, Monterey Jack, whichever you prefer. Just going to fold that in. Got our baking sheet right here. I'm going to take 2 spoons. Going to get a little bit. Just scoop it right in. Now you can do this on a flat cookie sheet. Make sure you're using non-stick because it works better, or use a non-stick spray. They're all done. They bake for about 10 to 12 minutes at 425 degrees. Look at how golden brown they are. There's nothing the smell of fresh baked biscuits. You could cook these up. The family will come running. You're going to love them. All right, I'm going to set these over here. They're warm. Going to get my serving bowl. Going to take them out. I like to use silicone tongs to take these out because they're a little more gentle. While they're hot especially. You can let them cool and pick them up with your hands if you want. Okay. Perfect. Now, take a look at that. Those are cheddar garlic biscuits made from scratch. Top it with a little butter. I like to use a little extra garlic butter myself. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm Chef Rick Tarantino. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.